Hi guys, Tim Johnston from Books Onsite. Just going to talk to you today about the importance of getting a valid tax invoice. Sounds like a really dry topic, doesn't it? But there can be some pretty important repercussions on not getting the format of your tax invoice correct. Apart from penalties from the ATO, it could also be an excuse for some of your suppliers not to pay your invoice. So if your invoice isn't in the correct format, particularly if you've got a major client, that you might wait for 30 or 60 days for it to be processed through their systems, and then they might come back to you saying, well, your invoice is not in the correct format, can you please resubmit it? So really important to get that right, guys. So just a couple of things. Firstly, if the sale is for under $75, you don't have to worry about it being in the correct format. So only once it's over $75, and then up to $1,000, there's slightly less onerous requirements on the tax invoice as there is for once it gets over $1,000. So firstly, for those invoices between $75 and $1,000, a few things. You need the words tax invoices stated prominently on the invoice. You need the name of the supplier, which is yourself. You need your ABN on it. You need the date of the tax invoice and a brief description of the goods and services sold, and then the total price of the sales, including GST. Where the difference is, once your sale gets over $1,000, you also require either the ABN or the address of your client to be on the invoice, and you also require a bit more detail. So the ATO wants to see the quantity of the goods or the extent to which the services are sold. So a little bit more detail, whereas under $1,000 you just need a brief description. So really good. Get some systems in place to get that right. Get it right from the start. Once you've got it right, set it up in your accounting software, and you shouldn't have any problems. If you're not sure about that, please feel free to get in touch with us. We can get our bookkeepers to come out to guide you through that process, or shoot me an email and we can give you some further detail. Thanks.